This video is to inform you of the risks of working around plant and what we can do to reduce those risks. Being in the working area of plant is never completely safe. In recent years, there has been a number of accidents from plant coming into contact with workers, resulting in serious injury or death. This has happened on sites that have been well managed with good safety systems, a site like you are working on right now.
I think there's four main dangers when operating plant on construction sites. The first is the trades or the site operatives working around you become complacent and blasé about the risks of working alongside heavy plant. The second, from inside the cab as an operator, the vision is very, very poor and you can't always see 100% around you, so there runs the risk of being massive blind spots. The third is the noise levels from inside the cab. Construction sites in generally are pretty noisy, but if you have an attachment on like a hydraulic breaker, it becomes even more noisier. So you might not be able to hear somebody that's calling out to grab your attention. The fourth point is, with all the advances in technology and the safety features and alarms that are built into plant, us operators still need to pay extra special attention because the construction site environment is changing and evolving all the time. So what may have been safe 10 minutes ago may not be safe now.
One of the biggest dangers when operating machines on site are operatives entering the work zone. Many trades on construction sites are not aware of the dangers of heavy plants and how limiting the vision is from the operator's cab. If anyone enters your work zone unsafely, stop until it is safe to carry on. Also, warn the operative in a friendly manner of the dangers of excavators or machines on site. Here are the standard exclusion zones for operatives working around excavators on site. Zone 1. Only enter the zone if you cannot approach from the excavator operator line of sight. Always signal to the plant operator and receive a positive response before entering into Zone 1. Zone 2. Keep out of Zone 2 at all times. Where specific activities have been planned, with a safe system of work implemented or controlled, an exception may be authorised. Zone 3. Machine operator line of sight. This is the safest zone for approaching an excavator as it provides the greatest chance of being seen by the operator. The correct way to approach the machine is from the operator's line of sight. Always call out and wave to the operator to gain their attention. Only approach once the operator has given you the thumbs up and placed the machine into a safe position. In this scenario, by the operator lowering the boom to the floor and using the dead man lever. Things to remember for operators. Power down and turn off the engine when anyone approaches the excavator. Remove the keys when the excavator is left unattended. Only release the dead man's handle when fully in control of the excavator. Consider what clothing you are wearing, as they may get caught in the controls. Things to remember for all of us. Don't walk, stand, park or drive within the radius of the excavator. Make eye contact with the excavator operator before entering any zone. Always follow these standard rules around excavators or heavy plants on sites.